just did on the main body to the air scoop. So these dotted lines, again, we're going to trace over them in pen so that we can fold them. So I'm just going to line up my ruler. Again, if you need to borrow a pen, just ask. I have some up by my desk. Ooh, and my ruler slipped, so I'm going to go back and just try to line that up nice and neat. Okay, I have one line, and then I'm going to, again, trace the other line with my pen. And just like we did before, we're just going to lightly fold these. I know it's a little difficult because some of this like section over here is so small, but again, just be gentle. So I got one side, folding the other. Again, the pen just makes this a little bit easier. So now our air scoop looks like this. So these lines should be folded up. And then when we see it, we should see that 3x3 square just kind of by itself.